let's explore the basics of machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning, or ML, is a part of artificial intelligence where models learn from data to make predictions. It requires humans to choose the important data points. Techniques include decision trees and clustering, which handle structured data for tasks like spam detection and price prediction. Deep learning, or DL, is more advanced. Inspired by the human brain, it uses neural networks to automatically learn features from raw data. This means no more manual feature selection. DL is ideal for large data sets and complex tasks like image recognition and self-driving cars. What are the key differences? ML can work with smaller data sets and needs human input for features. DL excels with big data and learns features on its own. Please subscribe and discover more groundbreaking videos.